That is freaking epic. What kind of fucking crack do you get on there? Holy shit.
Essa aqui vai ser a última do vídeo. A última parte do vídeo. 80 e 10.
Sí, señor. Muy bien, mira.
Ok. Ah non!
Hey, puis la verse en plus.
Mais là, vous tenez, pas juste.
Ben oui, c'est juste, c'est
Mais là,
correct.
Ah, mais moi j'avais entendu équilibre.
Attendez, monsieur, attendez, restez encore comme ça. Restez encore comme ça. Ça sera pas long, restez encore comme
Allez,
ça.
là, ah ouais, là, Stéphane.
Ok, c'est bon, allez-y, allez-y.
Igloo, 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 igloo.
Yes, sir!
vous l'avez vu à quoi? 2 gorgées?
Yeah, un habitué! Un habitué! Un petit mot à la caméra, monsieur?
Go for it, little guy. That's right. Yeah, get all stuff in your mouth.
Still, he's been doing that for the last, like half hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, taking a video.
I don't know how many he needs. He's just been doing it and doing it and doing it. There we go. Yeah, you just get all that stuff in your mouth.
You alright? You okay? You alright? Are you alright? Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! I gotta see that shit. How'd that feel, bro? It was awesome. Dude, wait till you see that on video. Oh my god! Dude, you're like, oh my god! You just like, hey, your helmet was going good, obviously.
Doing a mental backflip off a fence.
Watch because he breaks his leg.
Hey, he might break his leg.
1, 2, 3,
4! Yeah! Yeah! She's done it!
on YouTube.